Welcome! Today we're diving into kidney health, vital for seniors and often overlooked. We'll reveal 6 fruits that support your kidneys and 4 you should avoid if your kidneys are vulnerable. Let's get started and say goodbye creatinine with confidence. Blueberries aren't just a tasty treat. They're a nutritional powerhouse packed with benefits for your entire body, especially your kidneys. We often think of fruits as simply sweet additions to our diet, but blueberries offer so much more than just a burst of flavor. They're little gems of wellness, readily available and easy to incorporate into your daily meals. They're packed with anthocyanins, those vibrant pigments that give them their beautiful blue hue. But these aren't just for show. Anthocyanins are powerful antioxidants with a wide range of health-promoting properties. They're the key ingredient that makes blueberries such a kidney-friendly food. These powerful antioxidants work tirelessly to protect your kidneys from the damaging effects of free radicals. They act like tiny bodyguards, shielding your delicate kidney cells from inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major culprits in the development of kidney problems. Oxidative stress and inflammation can wreak havoc on kidney function over time. Blueberries, with their high concentration of anthocyanins, help to neutralize these harmful processes, promoting overall kidney health and longevity. It's like giving your kidneys a daily dose of protective armor. Beyond their antioxidant power, blueberries boast a naturally low potassium, sodium, and phosphorus content. This is particularly important for individuals concerned about kidney health, as these minerals can sometimes pose challenges for those with kidney issues. This unique nutritional profile makes them ideal for supporting kidney health and function. By being naturally low in these minerals, blueberries help to ease the burden on your kidneys, allowing them to function more efficiently. Regular consumption of blueberries can help keep creatinine levels in check. Creatinine is a waste product that your kidneys filter from your blood, and elevated levels can indicate kidney problems. By supporting healthy kidney function, blueberries contribute to maintaining optimal creatinine levels, thereby reducing kidney workload and promoting overall well-being. They essentially help your kidneys do their job more effectively. Enjoy them sprinkled on your morning oatmeal, adding a burst of flavor and nutrition to start your day right. Blend them into refreshing smoothies for a quick and easy way to get your daily dose of antioxidants, or simply enjoy them as a satisfying and guilt-free snack any time of day. There are no complicated recipes or elaborate preparations needed to reap the benefits of these little blue wonders. Each berry is a bite-sized powerhouse, packed with nutrients and antioxidants that contribute to your overall health. They work gently to nourish your kidneys, supporting their vital function in filtering waste and maintaining balance in your body. Making healthy choices doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a joyful and simple part of your daily routine. Incorporating blueberries into your diet is a delicious and easy way to show your kidneys some love and support their optimal function. So add them to your daily routine. Sprinkle them on your yogurt, mix them into your cereal, or simply grab a handful for a sweet and protective boost to your kidney health. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Apples. They're a staple in lunchboxes, a symbol of autumn harvests, and a go-to snack for health-conscious individuals. But did you know that this humble fruit packs a powerful punch when it comes to supporting your kidney health? Apples are more than just a classic snack. They're kidney-friendly thanks to their unique composition, particularly the presence of pectin. Pectin, a soluble fiber, acts like a natural cleanser in your body. It binds to toxins in the digestive tract, preventing them from being absorbed into the bloodstream. This is crucial because it reduces the burden on your kidneys. By effectively removing these toxins, pectin eases your kidneys' workload, allowing them to function more efficiently and maintain optimal health. Think of it as giving your kidneys a helping hand in their daily detoxification duties. But the benefits don't stop there. Apples are also rich in anti-inflammatory antioxidants, like quercetin. These powerful compounds help protect delicate kidney structures from damage caused by inflammation and oxidative stress. They act as a shield, guarding your kidneys against potential harm and promoting their long-term well-being. Furthermore, apples are naturally low in potassium and sodium, making them a safe and suitable choice for individuals following most kidney diets. Managing potassium and sodium intake is often a key aspect of kidney health, and apples provide a delicious way to stay within recommended guidelines. So how can you incorporate this kidney-friendly fruit into your daily routine? Enjoy them whole for a satisfying crunch and maximum fiber intake. You can also enjoy them sliced as a refreshing snack or stewed with a touch of cinnamon for a comforting and warm treat, especially during colder months. Don't underestimate the power of this simple, readily available fruit. It's more than just a tasty snack. It's a valuable tool for supporting your kidney health. Every apple is a crunchy, delicious, and easy way to contribute to the well-being of your kidneys. Make apples a daily habit, a simple yet effective step towards lasting kidney health and overall wellness. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Pineapple, with its vibrant color and tropical aroma, is more than just a delicious treat. It's a nutritional powerhouse that can offer gentle support to your kidneys. Let's explore why this tropical fruit is a kidney-friendly choice. One of the key reasons pineapple is beneficial for kidney health is that it's naturally low in potassium. For individuals managing kidney conditions, maintaining a balanced potassium intake is crucial, and pineapple fits perfectly into a kidney-conscious diet. Beyond its low potassium content, pineapple is also packed with bromelain, a powerful enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can sometimes exacerbate kidney issues, so incorporating bromelain-rich foods like pineapple may help soothe and protect these vital organs. But the benefits don't stop there. Pineapple is also a good source of fiber, which aids in healthy digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Plus, it's loaded with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that boosts your immune system, and manganese, an essential mineral for various bodily functions. All these nutrients work synergistically to support healthy digestion and strengthen your immunity, creating a holistic approach to wellness. A strong immune system is crucial for overall health, and pineapple provides a delicious way to bolster your body's defenses. And the best part? Pineapple provides all these advantages without putting undue stress on your kidneys. It's a gentle and supportive fruit that can be enjoyed as part of a balanced diet. There are countless ways to incorporate this tropical delight into your meals. Enjoy fresh pineapple chunks as a refreshing snack, perfect for a quick energy boost or a healthy dessert. Add it to vibrant fruit salads for a burst of tropical flavor and added nutritional value. Pineapple pairs well with a variety of other fruits, creating a symphony of tastes and textures. Or, for a truly special treat, grill pineapple slices for a healthy and satisfying dessert. The grilling process caramelizes the natural sugars, creating a delightful sweetness that's hard to resist. Whether you enjoy it fresh, grilled, or as part of a larger dish, pineapple brings both incredible flavor and valuable kidney-friendly nutrition to your plate. It's a versatile fruit that can be enjoyed in countless ways. Beyond its nutritional benefits, pineapple is also incredibly hydrating, making it an excellent choice for maintaining overall kidney wellness. Staying hydrated is crucial for kidney function, and pineapple offers a delicious way to increase your fluid intake. Remember, eating for your health doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a delicious and fun adventure, filled with exciting flavors and textures. So let pineapple be a sweet and tangy celebration of your good choices. A reminder that taking care of your body can be a joyful and rewarding experience. Embrace the goodness of pineapple and let it contribute to your overall well-being. Cranberries are famous for urinary health thanks to packs that prevent bacteria from sticking to your bladder and urethra. This helps stop infections before they reach your kidneys. Cranberries also provide vitamin C and antioxidants to fight inflammation. Choose unsweetened cranberry juice or fresh frozen berries for the best benefits. Simmer with water for a tart sauce or enjoy in moderation. Think of cranberries as your urinary system's security guards. Add them to your diet for proactive kidney protection. Red grapes are a luxurious, antioxidant-rich snack loaded with resveratrol and flavonoids. These compounds protect kidney blood vessels from oxidative stress and inflammation. Good circulation is vital for kidney function, and grapes help support it. They're low in potassium, making them safe for most kidney diets. Enjoy fresh or frozen grapes for a sweet, protective treat. Red grapes nourish your cardiovascular system and kidneys at once. Snack on them for a delicious investment in your health. Watermelon is 92% water, making it a hydration hero for your kidneys. Proper hydration helps flush toxins and reduces kidney stone risk. Watermelon's lycopene offers antioxidant protection for kidney cells. It contains moderate potassium, so enjoy in sensible portions. A slice on a warm day is a refreshing, kidney-friendly treat. Moderation is key. Don't overdo it, but don't miss out. Watermelon is a sweet way to support kidney health. Bananas are high in potassium, which can be dangerous for those with reduced kidney function. When kidneys can't filter potassium well, it builds up and may cause heart problems. Even one banana can push potassium levels too high for some seniors. That's why many with kidney disease must limit or avoid bananas. It's not about the fruit being bad, it's about your body's needs. Always consult your doctor or dietitian about potassium intake. Knowledge empowers you to make safe, healthy choices. Oranges and orange juice are packed with potassium, sometimes more than bananas. For those with kidney issues, this can quickly lead to dangerous potassium buildup. Even healthy foods can be risky depending on your condition. Limit oranges and other high-potassium citrus unless your doctor says otherwise. Choose lower potassium fruits for sweet satisfaction without the risk. Personalized nutrition is key to kidney safety. Avocados are loaded with potassium, over 700 milligrams in just one fruit. For compromised kidneys, that's too much to handle and can trigger dangerous heart issues. Even a few slices may push potassium into the danger zone for some. While healthy for most, avocados are a red flag for kidney patients. Navigating a kidney-friendly diet means making different choices. Protect your health by skipping avocado if your doctor advises. It's a powerful act of self-care. Dried apricots are a concentrated source of potassium much higher than fresh fruit. Just a small handful can overload your kidneys with potassium and sugar. The drying process makes all nutrients more concentrated and harder to manage. This applies to other dried fruits like raisins and prunes too. Fresh fruit is almost always a safer, gentler choice. Read labels and choose snacks that support your kidneys. Swap dried apricots for fresh apples or grapes for a kidney-friendly treat. We've explored the best and worst fruits for kidney health. Use this knowledge to make choices that nourish and protect you. Always consult your doctor or dietitian for personalized advice. Celebrate the fruits that love your body back. Share this message to help others on their wellness journey. Take care of yourself and your kidneys every day.